you are going to get your sight word packet, and you are going to flip to the word the. So turn to the page that has the word the. And you are going to get your pencil, or you can use a crayon, and we are going to first trace it. We've been using the word the a lot in our sentences, so this should be old news for you. We're going to do the T and the H from top to bottom, curve over at the dotted, and then go over and curve around under the dotted line. So we traced it. Now you're going to write your own, top to bottom, cross in the middle, top to bottom for the H, and curve over at the dotted line, under the dotted line for the E, go down to the bottom and go over. Right, build it. That means, yep, then you go to the bottom, you're going to cut all the way across their line, cutting all of those letters off. Cut it off, and then you are going to use what letters? Yep, you're going to cut out the T, cut out the T, and the H, and the E. Yep, cut them out. And what are you going to do with those? You're going to glue them in here. How can I glue them in any order I want? Nope. I have to glue them in the order that they are spelled. So it's going to be T, H, E, and that spells the. Good job. Find it. You are going to find all the use it. I'm going to use it in a sentence down here. How can I use the in a sentence? How do I want to use it in a sentence? Alright. There. The. Remember, we want to spell sound the. F, F, air. Is. The. There, I'm using it. Pen. And how do I end the sentence? With a period. Good job. So I used a capital letter at the beginning, there's space in between my words, and a period at the end. Then I used the sight word the. Good job. Do I want you to do the same sentence I did? No, I want you to make your own sentence. When you finish this page, you are going to post it on Seesaw, and then go and do a choice board activity. And I'll see you after lunch and recess.